Hello, secondary math educators. I'm Mary Kemper, your math director, and I'm excited to share with you this video that includes how to access your curriculum documents. We're making great improvements to our curriculum documents so they are more accessible to teachers and filled with content that is more accessible for students too. When you access the CISD Curriculum and Instruction Schoology group, on the left, choose Resources, then Curriculum Documents, and Secondary. In the Math folder, you'll see a collection of folders organized by course. I'll use 6th grade as an example. In the 6th grade folder, you'll see this Google Drawing with buttons that link you to the weekly scope and sequence, high priority learning standards by course, high priority learning standards vertical alignment, online access for digital tools, and recommended materials. The weekly scope and sequence has been updated for 2021-2022 based on feedback from your colleagues and work by our curriculum writers this summer. In the 6th grade math first grading period, the first unit is number sense. You'll see that after the first week of building classroom environment and relationships, the content begins with whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers, before going into ordering and comparing numbers, using properties, and plotting points. Those 4 topics will be important to remember as I show you the connection to the other curriculum documents. Back in Schoology, you'll see across the bottom links to the Google Docs, our Understanding by Design Google Docs that are curriculum documents. The first unit is on number sense. This unit document should look familiar to those of you returning, but I've had an opportunity to clean up and streamline the content. This is what the students will know and be skilled at about whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and ordered pairs, and the academic vocabulary included in this unit. This section on unit considerations is new. Here are the 4 topics related to the first unit on number sense. So I've given an opportunity to share some information for you as the educator as you begin to understand what those unit considerations are, what the students will be able to know, understand, and be able to do. Stage 2 of Backward Design, or UBD, is all about the evidence, or the assessment piece. How will we assess our learners in each section of this unit? Here are some performing math tasks that are connected to these topics. I like performing math because it provides you as the educator with the performance task, some background knowledge, mathematically speaking, a possible solution, and information for you to look for. The tasks are also differentiated, a more simplified version or an enriching task for those students who are ready to move on. The scaffolded task provides solutions for you. And then there's printable or digitally accessible content that you can share with the learners. Stage 3 of UBD, or Backward Design, is the learning plan. What learning experiences will you design for your students? Sample learning experiences are organized here by those 4 topics again. Some of my favorites include these Desmos coordinate plane activities, where the students are participating in target practice, where they're trying to identify the coordinate that will strike a bullseye. I like those Desmos activities because it provides every student an opportunity to interact with the math content. So this was all about Unit 1. And one more time, to access this content, you go to the CISD Curriculum and Instruction group, choose Resources, Curriculum Documents, then Secondary Mathematics.